Good morning, friends. Welcome to YouTube channel Quantitative Aptitude Tricks. So, in the previous channel, in the previous video, I had discussed a problem on profit and loss with an innovative tricks, and now I am going to discuss a problem regarding the chapter time and work. One problem on time and works with a innovative tricks. We will not think about the fundamental method. We have to do the problem in the tricks, according to the tricks, and within a very short time, which is the objective of different competitive exam. Okay, so let's come to the question. The question is, when working alone, A and B can complete a work in 2 days and 4 days respectively. When working alone, A and B can complete a work in 2 days and 4 days respectively. In how many days? In how many days the work will be completed? The work will be completed if they work means A and B, they work in alternate day manner. When working alone, A and B can complete a work in 2 days and 4 days respectively. In how many days the work will be completed if they work in alternate day manner? And here in the question, it is not given who starts the work. Alternate day manner means first someone works, then someone works, and so on. And question A is A starts the work. Question A is A starts the work. A starts the work. Okay, means definitely you have to ascertain who starts the work. Otherwise, you can't ascertain from the question who starts the work. So the condition first A is A starts the work, means in the first day A will work, in the second day B will work, in the third day A will work, and so on. A starts the work means A takes 2 days. That means the less number of days to do the work. A starts the work, or who takes less time means less day time starts the work. Means who takes less days starts the work, because A takes 2 days alone and B takes 4 days alone. Okay, so our first question is, in how many days the work will be completed if they work in alternate day manner and A starts the work. Means A starts the work means the person Who takes less time starts the work, because A takes 2 days. Okay. Question B is, B starts the work. Starts the work. Or who takes more time starts the work. Or who takes more time starts the work. Okay. Who takes more time starts the work. So first we will solve the problem A. So you just go to the fundamental method first, then I will make it in tricks, and you just watch till the end, and you will learn. The question will be solved within a very few seconds. Okay. First you just go to the fundamental method. A do one work in 2 days. In 1 day he can do half of the work. A do one work in 2 days. In 1 day he can do half of the work. Similarly, B do one work in 4 days. In 1 day he can do 1/4 of the work. Okay. So in 1 day A do half of the work. Then in 1 day B do 1/4 of the work. Okay. In a spell of 2 days, the part of the work completed is equal to, in a spell of 2 days, because they work in alternate day manner, means A first do, then B, then A, then B, and so on. So in a spell of 2 days, the part of the work completed will be 1/2 plus 1/4, that is equal to 3/4. Then the work is always one, part is always one. Then remaining work is equal to 1 minus 3/4 is equal to 1/4. The work remains is equal to 1. Total work is 1 minus 3/4. The work completed in a spell of 2 days is equal to 1 minus 3/4 is equal to 1/4. first A do the work, then B do the work, then A, then A. That is the meaning of alternate day, because in question A we have the condition A starts the work. Okay. The remaining work is 1/4. So 2 days has already gone, means in the first day A do, in the second day B do. Then third day turn is for A, because the work is in alternate day manner. So third day is the turn of A. Now in the question, A do one work in 2 days or A in 1 days? A do one work in 2 days. Then the remaining work done by A in 2 days, one work, remaining work is 1/4. So 1/4 work in how many days? 2 into 1/4 is equal to 2/4 days, or that is equal to simplified form is 1/2 days. Okay, clear? So here the third day turn is of A. So A do one work in 2 days, then in A do half of the work A do 1/4 of the work in 2 into 1/4 is equal to 2/4 or 1/2 day. Total time taken to complete the work is equal to, initially in a spell of 2 days they do 3/4 of the work is equal to 2 plus the remaining 1/4 work in 1/2 days. 2 plus 1/2, that is equal to 5/2, or that is equal to 2 1/2. Okay, so that is the answer. If A starts the work and the work was done in alternate day manner, then the total time taken to complete the work is equal to 1/2 days. So that is the fundamental way, but we have to solve the problem in a very simple way, very trick manner, within a very few time. That is our motto. So here you just forget the fundamental method. We will do it in a very true way, very short way, in a very short spell of time. Same first question. A takes 2 days to complete a work and B takes 4 days to complete the work. When working alone, then find out the number of days taken to complete the work if they work in alternate day manner and A starts the work. So the trick is apply when the following condition is satisfied. The trick is apply when the following condition is satisfied. Condition. We write down the condition. What is the condition? If the condition is satisfied, then we will apply the trick. Otherwise, you will solve the problem in the fundamental way which I had just done. Condition is number of days taken are even. Number of days taken are even. Second I, difference between the two number, difference between the two number is equal to 2. If these conditions satisfied, they will apply the trick. Otherwise, you have to do the problem in the fundamental method. So, in the question, number of days taken are even because A takes 2 days and B takes 4 days. Number of days taken are even, and the difference between the two number is 2. 4 minus 2, or is difference is 2. So, in that case, you will just write down the answer 2 by 4. And A starts the work. When A starts the work, or the person takes less time starts the work, the answer is simply 2 by 4. Okay, you need not think about anything. You just write down the answer 2 by 4, or in simplified way 2 1 by 2, whatever it may be. Okay, in simplified way it is 2 1 by 2 or 2 by 4. The number of days are even 2 days and 4 days, and their difference is 2. Difference of 2 and 4 is 2. The answer is, and A starts the work, or the person who takes less time starts the work. A starts the work here. A starts the work. Starts the work. So simply you just write down the answer 2 by 4. Okay. Condition is number of days are even and the difference is 2. Otherwise, if these conditions are not satisfied, you need not apply the formula. You go through the fundamental method. This method is only applied when the following conditions are satisfied. And normally in different competitive exam, the question which will asked is, in most of the cases, the two numbers are even and the difference is 2. They cannot, the person who is setting the question, when they set the question, they cannot tell A takes 3 days, B takes 7 days, A takes 9 days, B takes 15 days. Definitely, in the first instance, the person who makes the question in the first instance, in the first thought, this number will come to his mind. First even number 2 4 4 6 6 8, because he knows this can be solved through the tricks. So here the answer is 2 by 4. If in case of 2 days 4 days, it is 4 days 6 days. Suppose A takes 4 days, B takes 6 days when working alone. And if they do in alternate day manner, A starts. Answer is normally 4 by 6. If 6 8, answer is normally 6 by 8, or it will be written in the simplified form 6 3 by 4, or here 4 2 by 3. Okay, so it is, the tricks is applied only the condition is satisfied. Okay. Then our question B is if they working alone, A and B takes 2 days and 4 days respectively to do a work. If they work in alternate day manner, what is the time taken to complete the work? If B starts the work, or the person who takes more time starts the work, B starts the work. B starts, or more time, the person who takes more time starts. Okay. In that case, the answer is the middle of the two number, means 2 days 4 days. A takes 2 days, B takes 4 days. Okay, the answer is the middle of the two number, or 3. if B starts the work, the middle of the two number, you just tell it the middle of the two number or the average of the two number, whatever it may be, simply you just tell it middle of the two number, and this condition will be satisfied. If in place of 2 and 4 it is 4 and 6, the answer will be 5 if B starts. Okay, so that is the trick, and this trick is applied only if the condition is satisfied. And normally the question in different exam asked that must be based on the condition, because the person who setting the question definitely that concept in his mind. Okay, so this question is solved within a span of 2 to 3 seconds. Simply you just see the question, and within a span of 3 seconds you will just see the answer and write down the answer. Okay, so these are innovative tricks, but I request you all to go through the fundamental chapter first, so that you have some basic idea, and you yourself during the process of your preparation and practicing more, you yourself will innovate some tricks, and that tricks will remain in your mind forever. You cannot forget it, because that trick was if some tricks will be innovated by you, then that will be remain in your mind forever. Okay, so that is my second video, and these are short videos of 15 to 20 minutes. It's my request you just watch the video till the end, so that you can conclude something regarding the tricks. In the next video, I think up to next 6 to 7 video, I'll do one problem of different chapter in some tricks. Then I think to come with a package of different chapter of video 1.5 hours. Suppose the chapter percentage profit and loss, then simple interest, compound interest, then ratio, proportion, partnership, time and work, time and distance, and mixture, allegation, permutation, combination. There are many chapters, and mainly arithmetic is the integral part of competitive exam. Okay, so you just watch till the end, and if you think it is good for you, then please subscribe it, share it, and watch it till the end. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.